Are you ready to fight off cold and flu this season? Hello, my name is Alicia and welcome to my channel. I am sitting next to this awesome herb, oregano, and also grasshopper. Come with me inside while we make an awesome infusion to help you fight off cold and flus this season. So this oregano is not just used for Italian cooking. This is a powerhouse. It is antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiparasitic. So you can eat it just as raw, and it is just as good as the oil we're going to make. I also give it to my chickens in their feed to keep them healthy. So what we're going to be making today is an oil infusion with oregano. What you need here is just some oil. You can use jojoba oil, coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, and so any oil really you can use for that. And you are going to use some dried oregano. You do not want to use a wet herb. It can cause mold and cause your hard work to go bad. So the first thing we are going to do here, this is washed first of all, and you can hang it to dry, you can dehydrate it. I just lay it flat for a few days and it dries out. So you're gonna need a jar, and you're gonna fill this about a third of the way full with these dried herbs. Smells so good. So it's about a third of the way full of the dried herb. And now all I'm going to do is just add my oil. Add my lid, give it a good little couple shakes, and I'm going to set this in a place that is dark and cool for about 6 to 8 weeks, just kind of giving it a little stir whenever I remember. After those 6 to 8 weeks, you're just going to strain it. You can use a cheesecloth. I have a fine mesh strainer that I use. You're just going to strain out the oregano. You can put the oil in like a glass amber dropper bottle, or I just put mine right back into a jar like this and use a teaspoon. So how do I use this once it's done? You, if you're feeling sick, feeling something coming on, you can start taking a teaspoon every, up to 3 times a day. You can use it as a preventative, so take a teaspoon every day. You can, if you have any like skin irritants, since it is an antifungal, antibacterial, you can put it on directly onto your skin. And so this definitely helps you through this cold and flu season when the days are getting shorter and we're not getting as much vitamin D. You know, everybody's getting sick around this time of the year. So this is a great thing also to give to family and friends as a gift and to carry around in your purse. So enjoy, and here's cheers to a happy, healthy flu and cold season. Thank you for watching.